Heriot-Watt runs International Marine Science, which is an MSc program. It runs over 1 year with 2 taught elements in the form of teaching in lectures and classrooms and laboratory settings, and finishes with a 3-month research project over the summer. The program is aimed at primarily at people with a science background. That could be any science, but we also extend it to professionals from other disciplines and other lines of work who wish to transfer laterally and, for instance, develop an understanding of the marine environment that they could then incorporate into their careers. And that could be as consultants, that could be as lawyers, as policymakers, and so on. We offer it on campus, 1 year for full-time students, 2 years for part-time students, but we also offer it online over a maximum of 6 years. And we are particularly proud of the fact that we're able to incorporate online students in our field activities, which is one of the big strengths of this program. If you're interested in doing an MSc in International Marine Science with us here at Heriot-Watt, in cooperation with UMT in Malaysia, apply here now.
So in this coral reef monitoring and management program for the Heriot-Watt University student, we designed the whole program into different sections. So the one that is in charge is mostly on the how to use a standard scientific method to survey the coral reef. So we teach them plan in a way that in a sequential method where the student actually start, for example, to know how to identify. And then after that, the student will learn hands-on on how to lay the transect. After laying the transect, what should they do next, and then carry on. So this is a very unique experience that we are developing over here for the student, because we believe that only through this kind of a hands-on activity that the students are able to understand more in depth of how to conduct a scientific research with this practical section.
That this course interested me in the title, but also as I lived in Asia, I saw it as a possibility to return in Asia. I wanted to know more about coral reef, and this is why I'm here. I'm meeting new people, being in a new place, but also discovering an amazing reef, and I think this course is providing me lots of knowledge, concrete knowledge of the different type of corals and how rich is the marine life.
I'm interested in this program for 2 reasons. The first was to gain the understanding of the methodology and the practical experience of undertaking surveys as it relates to identifying fish species, invertebrates and corals. The second reason is to understand the coral restoration program here at Bedong Island. I was particularly impressed by the dedication of the UMT staff on their program, and I felt humbled to participate in my own very small way in that program. The skills that I've learned here at Bedong Island will help me achieve my objectives.
So in addition to tropical coral monitoring in Bedong, we also bring the students from the Heriot-Watt Mobility program to city wetlands, and this is because people have to understand that the sea is also connected to land, especially coastal areas. So here we allow them to discover the importance of coastal resources which is very much actually linked to the sea. We bring them here to discover things like how coastal people make livelihood from natural resources. So I think that's why when you ask them every year, they would say that one of the most memorable part of their experience here is when they were here engaging with people, communities in city wetlands. So that's why we keep doing it every year. So hope we can continue.
We went to see Century Wetland and did several activities, and it was incredibly interesting. It was the first time for me that I saw mangroves in real life. Obviously we have completely different vegetation from where I am from, and it was just fascinating to see such different vegetation, and also to then meet the local people who were incredibly welcoming to us and showed us what they do with the plants. And we got to do some weaving, and it was just fantastic to be able to interact with the local community. I just had a really lovely day, and it was an amazing experience.
We love Century Wetlands!
I originally was interested in this module because I really hadn't had any international education. It wasn't something I was able to take opportunity to do in my undergrad. So when I learned about this module, I was really interested, and really most of my interest was in kind of the scientific data collection side of things, and I wasn't as familiar with what I would gain learning about some of the cultural and social aspects being here in Kinnear. And that's been really amazing, all the different things that we've been able to interact with different people from different backgrounds. And I can see how that will directly apply back home in my own community and have a better understanding not only of ecosystems but of my own community back home.
This inbound mobility program hosted by Faculty of Science and Marine Environment, Universiti Malaysia Terengganu. This unique collaboration program enables postgraduate students from Heriot-Watt University to participate in program at Universiti Malaysia Terengganu focusing on tropical coral reefs monitoring and management. Jointly delivered by academic staff from Heriot-Watt University and Universiti Malaysia Terengganu, this program promotes cross-cultural academic exchanges, enabling students to engage with local researchers, conservation practitioners, and community stakeholders that involve in reef stewardship. So this collaboration not only enriches student learning through exposure to diverse reef environments and management contexts, but also fosters long-term research synergies between Heriot-Watt University and Universiti Malaysia Terengganu.